Hey, it's Reese. Welcome back for a quick little video. First, let me say thank you to all of my old subscribers and welcome to my new subscribers. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you will know every single time I come through with a new video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and jump right into this video. Now, alright, so I was sent some information, and I'm going to go ahead and speak on it, that Chrissy eyelash site has closed down. Now, I don't know if her site closed down because of non-payment, but I would hope not, because I think it's only like $30, dollars a month. And I am positive, I am sure that Chrissy, Starla, Omega, Cooking with Strong Mommy Chrissy, yeah, I am sure that that has not happened because of payment. Because again, you guys already know that Chrissy is a boss. All right, you already know that she makes $30,000 in 1 month. You already know. So y'all already know what it is. It's not because of that, or is it? Now, Chrissy, please tell me that your broke, scamming ass. Oh, let's not forget doxing. Yeah, because I'm still talking about that. Because you tried to dox me because the dumbass told you information that everybody already knew except the part about my mom. Dummy. But anyway, I know that you are not saying that you don't have any money. I know that's not true. I already know because you are a boss. I already know that you are not getting ready to come on this camera. You get what I'm saying? Talking about you depressed and start professional YouTube panhandling online, e-begging. You get what I'm saying? I hope you're not getting ready to think you get ready to do that. But what I am going to say to you is that you are a scam artist on all levels. A complete scam artist. Yes, you are. It's no other way to put it. You are. Alright, and the things that I talk about, you guys already know. I will show you the receipts without a problem. So, Christina, you mean to tell me that you, yourself, the princess of YouTube, alright, you decide to take money from people that work 8-hour jobs? Really, it does not matter how they work or what they work at. It is, you are taking people's money. That right there, I gotta let you know, that is disgusting. Because one thing about me, when it comes to money, when it comes to my coins, I do not play. That's the thing where you could piss me off with. When it comes to my coins, okay? I do not like when people fuck with my coins. Not at all. But you, on the other hand, are literally taking, stealing, getting off with taking people hard-earned money. I'm wondering how your little puppies are going to react to this, of you taking people hard-earned money when the receipts come out. Like, people are always worried about, if we make videos about certain things. Like, yeah. And while I'm actually on that too, let me just say, I get all of y'all messages, that you send me and say, did I see this, did that, that. I'm going to tell y'all like this. I, myself, is not going to come on camera dressed up as adorable as I always do. Okay? I'm not going to waste my clothes, my attention span, my time, my breath to come on to make a video about them. To me, I gotta be honest, y'all know how I am. They are fucking clowns, just dying to be recognized and paid attention to. And me, myself, I don't know about any others, I am not doing it. I ignore the fuck out of them. And guess what? I will keep ignoring the fuck out of them. Okay? Also, I've noticed that, the people that actually do this, and I'm going to just put it out there, they are the same as y'all. You get what I'm saying? They all have classrooms full of kids. So y'all get along with each other because y'all know where each other are coming from. Y'all have the same characteristics, whereas though I don't. So you get what I'm saying? I'm going to say what the fuck I want to say, and say it because what I'm saying, it must be true, because it irritates a lot. A lot, okay? But anyway, getting back to this. Yeah, I mean, how do you scam someone? You mean to tell me that, because you said you was putting on more lashes, did you literally just scam? Did you literally just scam someone out of getting their eyelashes? Did you do that? Because again, the site is down. All right. And see, this right here, I didn't know of this scam until, it was put inside of my email. But I do know of, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and keep that to myself or whatever, because it's going to come out in due time, in a couple days, maybe in 24 hours, maybe in 8. You never know. But it's just really, it's just really, really crazy to me that the stuff that you do. Like, it's no way in the world I will let anyone scam me. That's why when people call my phone and I clearly know, like, right away, no bitch, it's a scam, hang right on up. Like, you are not going to take any of my coins. I am not going to give you my social security number. I am not going to do any of that. What I do know is that I can see a scam artist a mile away. I can clearly see him. I can see a manipulator a mile away. I can see a compulsive liar a mile away. I can see a con artist miles and miles and miles away. Chrissy, we ain't even in the state, but I can clearly see that you are a con artist, like you are standing in front of me now as I am filming this video. See, what you gotta realize is that things that are done in the dark, you should know this by now. Your mom should have told you this when you were little. That things that are done in the dark, sooner or later, they have to come to the light. They have to resurface. So do you realize that when you scam people, it can always come back and hit you in your bottom. Okay? It can always come back and do that. And see, what you are used to doing, Chrissy, is you are used to scamming people and fleeing the state. You are used to, even with the car that you had, it was said that your husband, it was in his name, and you didn't pay the bill on it. So basically what they had to do was they had to come and repo it, which basically gave him fucked up credit. It's making him have a hard time to buy another car when he decides to. Yeah. I already knew and was put down with, most of y'all, you know what I'm saying. Most of y'all, what y'all do is, if y'all want something on y'all registry or something that you can't get, what you will do is you will tell them that you want that one item. And that's why you do these Walmart and Amazons, because you know you could take the shit back. So when they go ahead and buy you that one picture or whatever, it come in the mail, you like good. You got your whole pile. Glasses, dishes, books, all of that, because you already know that you taking that shit back to get what you want. See, one thing about me, I'm very smart. The other thing about me is that I am street smart. So I'm one of the ones that, you know what I mean, you're not going to be able to get too much over on me. All right? You're just not going to be able to do it. But, like I said, it's just crazy for people to scam people, you know. And this is not anything new to me, Chrissy. Like, I feel like, oh, you would have never did this. No, you scam people on a regular goddamn basis. So, it is what it is. I just know we probably get ready to get a video about crying soon, and you know, you gotta move or something. Something is definitely getting ready to come. I can tell y'all that right now. Something is definitely coming. It sure is. Yep. And y'all know what else be tripping me out? People would try to, you know, they want to come and they want to talk about you and talk about you, and you know, they call their self just talking about you, but you know, they really are talking about you because they want to get clout from your name. And I witnessed this week, and that's why I'm talking about it. But when somebody else does that to them and they ain't even fucking popular, they like, oh, you just want to get clout off my name, and you know, I don't talk about you, don't say nothing about me. Do you not just, and y'all gonna know what I'm talking about, do you not realize that you do the same fucking thing? And you say that if you don't, you know, I don't talk about you, don't talk about me, and then in return, that is exactly what your broke ass do? If y'all have been in these YouTube streets this weekend, let me tell y'all something. I have heard some bullshit. I really have. I have heard some things this weekend where as though I was on the floor hollering, saying, oh, okay, that's why you always take up for that person, because y'all are exactly the fuck alike. I mean, I'm just looking, y'all, I'm looking at my phone, you know, like, wait the fuck a minute. Did you really just try to get upset because now people are bringing your shit out, and you, oh, if you don't like me, then don't watch me? I've been telling bitches that if you don't like me, don't fucking watch me, because I'm not gonna watch you. I don't even give a fuck. I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, I'm telling y'all, go and look, all right, guys, and see this craziness that has been going on YouTube. It is at its all-time highest. I can tell you guys that this week is going to be an exceptional week. I can already tell you guys that something is probably getting ready to kick off anytime soon. All right? So like I told y'all, keep your notification bells on. All right? Keep your notification bells on so you will know soon as I put out a video. All right?